The number of people hospitalized with COVID-19 in Western New York has now gone up for three straight weeks. Good evening, everyone. I'm Claudine Ewing. That reality is raising the level of concern among local health leaders who say our region is now hitting a third wave. The increase was less today than yesterday, from 297 Thursday to 301 on Friday. Our low point of March 20th, for perspective, was just 137. So it's also been a steeper increase than last spring. 2 on Your Side's Jackie Roberts spoke to a medical expert from UB about where things stand with the virus now in Western New York and where we could be headed. Jackie.
Claudine, Dr. Peter Winkelstein, the executive director for the Institute for Healthcare Informatics at UB, says it's hard to say what will happen next because that depends on several factors. One, actually being weather. He says nice days like today work in our favor, with more people likely to do things outside rather than gather indoors. Another key factor is, of course, the vaccine rollout. Dr. Winkelstein says vaccines will still get us out of this, but we just need more of them, so a greater number of people have protection. Also, as we've heard throughout this whole pandemic, he says so much of what's to come depends on our actions. Take a look at this model his team created, illustrating what we could potentially see if things keep going the way they are now, compared to if people get strict again when it comes to following public health measures.
The difference between, if everything continues the same and if we get an improvement is enormous. And it's meant to illustrate how important it is that people continue to pay attention to their gatherings, to their travel, to their face mask use. Basically, all that stuff is really, really important. And so this slide is meant to illustrate how much effect we can have on the cases in the area.
Dr. Winkelstein says the model includes their best estimates of where we are with vaccines and variants and other contributing elements. So overall, he explained, while we're waiting for more people to get fully vaccinated, we just need to continue to be careful. We'll have more information on what's working against us and for us when it comes to fighting the virus coming up tonight at 10 and 11. Jackie Roberts, Channel 2 News.